Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. This video shows two recipes using 4 essential ingredients. 3 pounds of minced beef, 1 onion, 4 to 5 red bell peppers, and heaps of basil leaves from the garden. In this video, I have lots of minced beef and decided to cook 2 recipes with it. One is the beef Bolognese sauce and another is Thai minced beef with basil leaves. Start with chopping and dicing the onions and red bell peppers. Also pluck the basil leaves from the stalk and lightly wash these leaves. Leave everything aside, and I'm using an instant pot to cook the beef Bolognese sauce and a wok to fry the Thai basil beef. The challenge is to cook both recipes simultaneously. Step 1 is to saute garlic and onions in the instant pot and wok. Step 2 is to add minced beef, half portion in the instant pot and half portion in the wok. Sear this meat until it is cooked and slightly brown. Step 3 is to add the diced red bell peppers into the instant pot and wok. In the instant pot in which we have the beef Bolognese sauce, add a dash of pepper, paprika optional, and a pinch of salt. Once the meat is brown, add a bottle of Bolognese sauce and stir well. Close the lid of the instant pot. Cook under pressure cook function for 12 minutes. This step will tenderize the meat. And step 4 is to put lots of basil leaves to make the sauce flavorful. You can add some cheese to thicken the sauce, and this is a totally optional idea. Now back to the wok, in which we are cooking the Thai basil beef. Stir until the beef is cooked and brown. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a few dashes of fish sauce, a dash of pepper, and here I also added 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, which is not normally added into Thai basil beef. Just that turmeric is such a super spice, I sometimes like to add a little of this into stir-fry dishes. Lastly, step 4 is to add the basil leaves. Everything will be done in 20 minutes. You can now enjoy the Bolognese sauce with some pasta, and the Thai minced beef with basil leaves will be perfectly paired with a bowl of warm rice. Sometimes we have a lot of few ingredients. However, if we cook one single recipe, we end up struggling through the same meal for a few days, and it gets really dull. Imagine having to eat 5 to 7 days of pasta with Bolognese sauce. Or maybe there are picky eaters in the family and someone doesn't like this dish and prefers another dish. The solution is to cook 2 recipes with the same ingredients. These 2 recipes can be cooked within minutes. Enjoy! This is definitely enough for the next day. Please like, share, and subscribe to Meals with Sue for some more easy recipes. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. Until the next time, keep healthy and well. See you again.